This is the Tesla Model 3. If you need to find USB ports, they are basically here. There are two USB-C ports here for charging, and also two USB-C ports here. They are also used for charging. These ports, you can use the front ones, you can use for playing music or for connecting some devices. And also there is the fifth port here in the glove box. So you open the glove box. There are several ways. One of the ways is to go to controls by pressing this button, and then you just press glove box and it will open. So here is the USB drive. This is the original OEM Tesla USB drive, and this USB port in the glove box, it's used mainly for Sentry and dashcam videos. So if you don't have this USB drive, you will not be able to save the Sentry videos, dashcam videos, and only if you have this drive installed. Just buy a good Samsung or just original Tesla, and it will work for Sentry and dashcam. Also, the interesting thing is that this glove box USB port appeared in the vehicles after 2018. So the 2017 and 2018 model years mostly had just these two USB ports, and one of them could be used for Sentry and dashcam. And now when you have this USB port here, only that glove box port will be used for dashcam and Sentry.